to have a place that is yours and you're safe in. At the end of the night, you have that peace. Home to me means peace. My name is Ryan. I live in New Hampshire with my family.
I'm on my way.
Here in New Hampshire, it could be light and fluffy, and then all of a sudden, it's almost the end of the world. I do have one Delta Pro and one extra battery for the home.
I'm gonna be waiting.
We're able to keep the heat on, be able to keep the lights on. It is extremely important because we don't know if it's going to be for an hour or days. Life, community, hardship, laughter, tears, splinters in your hands, and you close your eyes and you wake up the next day. It's home. So our property here in New Hampshire is on 2 acres, and everything we're doing here is on a micro scale. So that way we can gain the knowledge in how to transition it to our property in Maine, which is 112 acres, and be 100% off-grid. I hope the home will provide not just peace, but a safe place, something that's reliable. Life's hard already. Hopefully they feel safe and secure at home. For my daughter, I allow her to take on almost any challenge she wants. And sometimes she fails, sometimes she succeeds. But it's during the failures that we have conversations about what more or different can we do. Even though we failed, it's okay. But it's being there with her and showing her that I'm not stopping because we failed. It's okay for her not to stop. The power of home means providing my family and my daughter the safety and security that they need to allow them to have the freedom to be who they are.